So I get home, right, from spending at this point, uh, about a record uh, 10 hours in the emergency room. And I just walked through the door, right? And this is what I found. There's a whole bird just hanging out. Like, are you hurt? Are you lost? Did you just stroll in? I don't know what you want, buddy. You're just hanging out on the steps. I hope you're doing okay. I saw you move a little bit earlier, but now you're just hanging out, dude. I mean, I get it, you kind of look pissed, but you're kind of in a home for humans, you know? You're in an unknown world. I can try to help you, but you may give me a heart attack like you just did the other day. Are you hurt? Can you fly? Dude is just looking absolutely fucking pissed. I will find out a way to deal with this.